In today's video, I'm going to teach you appointment booking Shopify apps. By the end, you'll know exactly how to find and set up an appointment booking tool inside your Shopify admin without any guesswork. First, head into your Shopify admin. From there, open your apps area and click the Add option. When the modal appears, choose Shopify App Store to browse available apps. This takes you into Shopify's official marketplace, where every app is reviewed and integrates cleanly with your store. In the App Store, use the search bar and type your query into the highlighted field. You'll see a results link that shows the total number of matching apps. Look for the one that says 298 apps and click it to open the full list. If you're prompted to confirm or see that link again, go ahead and click it again to make sure you're viewing the complete results. Now open the listing for Easy Appointment Booking app to preview its overview and features. Then also click into Meety Appointment Booking app to compare. Exploring both pages helps you understand pricing, reviews, and what each tool offers before you install. On the Meety page, click Install. You'll be redirected back to your Shopify admin to confirm permissions. Click Install again to approve. This is standard and lets the app add its widgets and manage bookings on your behalf. Once Meety opens, you'll see Setup options. Click Setup with Live Agents to view the support pathway, then choose Do It Myself to proceed with the guided self-setup. Click Continue to move forward. When asked, "What type of service do you offer?" interact with the highlighted fields to review your choices. Select Classes or Appointments to match a typical consult or class-style booking flow, then click Continue. Proceed through the next screens by clicking Continue again where prompted, keeping the defaults if you're unsure. You can always refine them later. Next, adjust the highlighted scheduling fields as needed. Set your duration unit to minutes so your availability aligns with the length of your service. After that, click Continue, and then continue once more to confirm your preferences. You'll now be prompted to activate the app on your storefront. Click Activate Meety so the booking widget can appear on relevant product or service pages. Click Continue to finalize. If you see any optional onboarding tours or promotional prompts, you can click Skip to finish up and head straight to your dashboard. That's it. You've found the appointment booking category, compared two popular options, installed Meety, walked through the guided setup, set durations in minutes, activated the widget, and wrapped onboarding. From here, you can refine availability, customize the booking button text, and run a quick test booking to ensure everything looks